Imagine a single pane of glass into your customer's contract and budget information, purpose-built for resellers like you. Meet CloudCover, a centralized dashboard to manage all your customers' IT maintenance support needs. Use the platform internally to simplify and automate your contract management efforts. Or use CloudCover to convert your maintenance relationships into a recurring revenue managed service business through your own branded dashboard. With CloudCover, now you can view contracts and client information in ways that allow you to grow your business and deepen your current customer relationships. Navigate between your clients on our intuitive platform with ease, and even assign specific user types and access. CloudCover tracks all your maintenance contracts, regardless of the vendor, from a single dashboard, and streamlines your renewal management with personalized emails sent to your team and your customers as contracts get closer to renewal, ensuring you never miss a renewal opportunity again. Use the platform to easily identify opportunities for consolidating and co-terminating contracts, improving efficiency and cost savings across all your clients. CloudCover also supports asset tracking, with all assets in the platform linked to their support contracts, including renewal dates and renewal alerts. And the platform even offers the ability to customize or add fields, so it can evolve with you and your clients. When you need it, accessing support is made easy for you and your end users. Just open a ticket from the CloudCover platform and track it in real time. With an open API, integrating your data into the platform is simple. With CloudCover, you can manage your IT maintenance through a single dashboard that's purpose-built to your needs and ready to go with your customers, empowering you to establish your own service capabilities and deepening your current client relationships. There's value in your data. Let us help you find it. CloudCover. We make your data work for you.